Give yourself an alternative look that's perfect for fall in these boots by Eric Michael. You'll love the fact that this leather upper gives you a super chic appearance while having this cute ruched effect to give you a little bit of extra style. You'll find that some really awesome buckles at the back give you a little bit of extra flair, and you'll also notice that you'll get a nice zipper closure to make for easy on or off access. Inside is a super soft textile lining with a bit of a cute pattern, and you'll find that the insole is very well cushioned to give you some extra comfort. You'll get about a 1.5-inch boost of height from this on-trend block heel that has a wood-like appearance, giving you a very earthy vibe. The outsole has quite a bit of texture and is super durable to give you a longer lasting wear with lots of grip. You can pair these with any outfit to give yourself a more emboldened look, but I'd wear them with some skinny jeans and a cute leather jacket.